Hey everyone, Alex back with another video. I just wanted to share with you guys a beautiful care package I received from Brad and DJ over at Armour Detail Supply. So huge shout out to them for hooking us up. You know, if you've been on the Cleaner Cast podcast or the Keep It Real podcast, they've been amazing supporters of both channels. And Jamie and I, Eddie, Joey, cannot appreciate these guys enough. So very thankful to have received this care package. I haven't used any of these products. These are real fresh. Haven't even cracked them open. The weather's starting to cooperate a little bit. So hopefully we can get to use this whole line very, very shortly. So I have them kind of laid out in an order of a typical detail process. So to start off on my far right, we have the Decon Soap here. So I've seen Jamie and Eddie and JB use this a lot. Super cool looking soap. This is a high pH, so it's not going to be your pH neutral. So this is going to decontaminate the surface by foaming it on, rinsing it, whatever. So basically what it's saying here is you let it kind of sit for 2 to 3 minutes. You throw about 3 to 4 ounces into a foam cannon, let it do its work, rinse it, and then do a bucket wash, which is super cool. Because now, kind of the pre-wash situations, trying to get as much as we can before rinsing is kind of the way things are going in the detailing industry. So moving along, Shampoo Plus, really excited to try this. Again, same guys have been loving this. So kind of instructions with this is that, again, 1 to 3 ounces of Shampoo Plus, and then you can use it in a bucket and a foam cannon as well. Let it sit for a few minutes and wash away. So this here, I believe, is a pH neutral shampoo. I'll correct it in the screen here if it is not. And once you're done washing, you can jump over to the iron remover. So the iron and fallout remover, same deal. You can kind of apply this to the surface and the iron particles will react to it. That's kind of that purplish look you see. Really, really prominent on white vehicles, so great for that. So a really exciting iron remover to try here. I am anxious to use that. Then moving on, we have Hero. So this thing has been blowing up the internet as a rinseless wash, strawberry kiwi scent. So for dilution wise, I mean, I think it's, you're 256 to 1, so 1 ounce for 2 gallons of water. As a clay lubricant, 128 to 1, and 64 to 1 for a waterless wash. So anxious to try this as well. Again, the weather's cooperating, so we're going to be getting to that soon. Just that I cover the whole line for all of your viewing pleasures. So once you've done that, you have Adapt, which is a SiO2 waterless. So this stuff here, again, just kind of spray it on mildly soiled areas, and then you can kind of wipe it off. Great stuff there. I know Eddie, JB, and Jamie have done a ton of videos on this, so I'm anxious to try that as well. Hopping over to Amplify. I know this made the Press Balls bottle for Eddie, so it's got to be good, right? So this stuff here is an SiO2 detailer, so when you can certainly use this as a drying aid. Looking at this, basically spray it on to a drying towel, 1 panel at a time. Go ahead, or you can use it as a detail spray if the car is already dry. Again, same idea, spray it on. Probably a little goes a long way, so anxious to do that. So once you're done with that, you can also go a little bit longer protection for your ceramic spray sealant. Seeing this in some torture tests with Jamie the Cleaner. So very, very similar SiO2 infused. So a very liquidy product, shouldn't have any issues. Should apply it, no issues there. Spray it on, and 1 section at a time, obviously, and then wipe it off. You should have fantastic results. I think this is a few months protection, if I'm not mistaken. 6 months, it's saying on here. So depending on your climate, you may be getting that. Hopping over here to the wheels and tires. Here we have the wheel cleaner pH balance formula. Again, really excited to try this. Finally have the summer wheels on. Those winter steelies are a little worse for wear. So this stuff here, definitely just spray it onto the wheel, agitate it with a wheel brush, anything like that, and most likely going to be getting great results. Once you're done with the wheels, you're going to be jumping over the tire cleaner. I know a lot of people like a tire and wheel combo. These two are more separate. So this one here, tire cleaner, says on the back, quickly spray it on, let it sit for about 30 seconds. Probably going to be a lot of browning. You can use something like a nice Detail Factory tire brush and get fantastic results for that. And then once those wheels and tires are all beautified, dress them up with the Tire Plus conditioner. Give them a nice satin look if you like. They did include an applicator. I don't have it here on the table, but just a basic applicator. And then finally, in the lineup that they sent me, we have Pilot. So don't be like Hunter and yeet it off your truck. Make sure you keep this in a safe spot because this is a interior detailer It leaves a nice clean finish, OEM look, and you know, nothing greasy, nothing sloppy, nothing that you don't want. So stay tuned for more videos coming up. Thought I'd cover the line in front of me here quickly for you. I appreciate every single one of you. Again, DJ and Brad, thank you so much for sending this stuff over to me. I'm really, really excited to try it again now that spring has sprung and the weather is cooperating. So stay tuned to the channel for more. Drop a like and subscribe if that's what you want to do. And we'll see you in the next video.